Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Flooring Report, where we talk about real flooring solutions for real families across East Texas. If you're trying to figure out what flooring actually works for your home, your lifestyle, and your budget, you're in the right place. We're here to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly so you can make the best decision possible. Here's your host, Carson Beavers with Flooring Liquidators.
This time of year, we start getting a lot of questions about summer flooring remodels in Tyler and across East Texas. Folks are trying to figure out when the best time to install flooring in Texas really is, especially with vacations, family visits, and summer schedules getting busy. In my opinion, summer is actually one of the better times to tackle flooring projects if you plan ahead a little bit. Kids are out of school, people are already thinking about home projects, and you usually have more flexibility with your schedule than you do during the holidays or back-to-school season. One thing people forget is that flooring installation affects the flow of your whole house for a few days. Furniture gets moved around, rooms may be temporarily unavailable, and depending on the project, you may not want to be walking all over fresh floors while installers are working. That's why I usually tell homeowners that early summer is the sweet spot for flooring installation in Tyler, Texas. If you wait until the middle or end of summer, everybody suddenly realizes they want projects done before football season, school starting back up, or holiday gatherings. We also deal with a lot of East Texas humidity this time of year, and that matters more than most people realize. Some flooring products handle moisture and temperature swings really well, and some products just don't belong in certain homes around here. People ask me all the time, when is the best time to install flooring in Texas? My honest answer is that the best time is before your house gets chaotic with travel, guests, and pack schedules because rushed decisions usually lead to regret. If you're planning a vacation this summer, that can actually work in your favor with flooring installation. A lot of homeowners will schedule projects while they're out of town, so crews can work efficiently without interrupting daily life for the family. Now, I'll say this too because I believe in being upfront with people. Summer is busy season for flooring contractors in East Texas, so waiting until the last minute can limit your product choices, your installation dates, and sometimes even material availability. That's especially true with waterproof flooring solutions and luxury vinyl plank in Tyler, Texas right now. Those products are extremely popular because families want something durable that can handle pets, kids, traffic, and real everyday life without constant stress. One thing I've learned over the years is that homeowners are happiest when they plan flooring around lifestyle instead of trends. I don't care how pretty a floor looks in a showroom if it doesn't fit the way your family actually lives inside your home. We spend a lot of time at Flooring Liquidators helping customers think through those decisions before they spend money. Sometimes that means recommending a product people didn't originally come in asking for because we know it'll perform better long-term in East Texas homes. That educational part matters because flooring is a major investment for most families. You shouldn't feel pressured into picking something fast just because a salesperson wants to close a deal before the weekend. Another thing homeowners should think about before vacation season is whether there are other projects tied to the flooring. If you're repainting, replacing cabinets, updating countertops, or remodeling bathrooms, the timing of those projects can make a huge difference. We've seen people install beautiful new floors and then immediately have contractors dragging equipment across them for another remodel. A little planning up front can save you a whole lot of frustration and help protect your investment. I also think summer is a great time for homeowners to finally replace flooring they've been tiptoeing around for years. Your home is supposed to be lived in, and good flooring should make life easier instead of making you nervous every time somebody spills a drink or tracks dirt inside. That's one reason waterproof flooring has become so popular across Tyler and East Texas. Technology in flooring is better than it's ever been. And there are quality flooring options now at almost every budget level if you work with somebody willing to explain the good, the bad, and the ugly honestly. At the end of the day, the best flooring projects are the ones planned with real life in mind. Good timing, good installation, and choosing the right product for your family will always matter more than chasing the latest trend online.
Thanks again for listening to the Flooring Report with Carson Beavers from Flooring Liquidators in Tyler, Texas. We appreciate every comment, question, and conversation because we truly love helping homeowners across East Texas. If you'd like to reach us, call 903-437-7527 or visit flgliquidators.com. We'll see you next time.